Okay, so I'm getting ready to start using eSalon's hair regrowth program, and you're probably asking why. A lot of people say, oh, your hair looks great. Truth is, there are areas of my hair where I'm seeing definitely a receding hairline. You see, this is what happens when you get older. So stay tuned, we will see how it works. I'm hoping it works, but I'll share with you my process as it goes along. Okay, so 1 month. I've been doing the whole program. Don't forget any of them. This is the treatment. This is the serum twice a day, morning and night, at least for me. And then I just do 2 of these every morning. In fact, it's the morning, so I think I'll do 2 of them right now. 5,000 milligrams of biotin. That's huge. And there you go. All right, so that's 1 month. I'll see you back in a month. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm 2 months in to eSalon's hair growth system, and I can't wait to show you the results. I even had to go out and buy a new hairbrush because my hair is thicker and it's fuller, especially along the hairline. And if you could see the before pictures of this area and up in here and along here and here, you would not believe the results. I do it every day as prescribed, and I'm just so excited about the results. I had to show you. I've been using eSalon for 90 days, and I cannot believe the results. Look how full my hair looks. I'm able to wear it in any style I want to now and feel confident. So I cannot wait to keep using it for the next 90 days just to see what happens after that. I wonder if something can even get better than this. Thank you, eSalon. You've given me back my confidence.